Dry American ShipOwner 544. Whilst the exports of energy are surging 70% from USA to Europe, how about the trade of dry ships? Container, general cargo, bulk carrier, cruise, ferry, ro-ro, all kinds of dry trade ships. So this America economy will grow, let's say 15, 20. Why? Because there is one of the places of fierce taxes, number one. Number two, one of the places that has less wars and conflicts in this planet. So that is going to also expand. And also we have this energy sector that will push the dry sector. Dry, we have many experienced Panama, Peru officers, Ecuador, Colombia, Argentina, Brazil, total 40,000 officers. Some have English closer to America, they have more English. Then if you go to Argentina and Chile, they have less English. But then we talk about the ratings, we have some 70,000, and we could really put them on board the dry ships much easier. If we think about 9 months on board, like Filipinos, ASEAN crew, let's forget about it. Latino mentality is different. We are much more responsible within the family issues. So we like to be around the family, therefore that means the 6 months is good enough, isn't it? But if the ships are close to America, the dry cargo ships, containers and general cargos, bulk carriers, why not? Then think about 6 months responsible officers, 4 months. That's the catching point. Environmental, social, governance, ESG, so we can retain the talent and not compete with other nations. Now, wage scales are really today 7,500 for a second engineer, 10,000 is for a chief engineer and a captain. So it's about the same wages then, and also the ratings 1,800 for a B. We can also have with USA trade or without USA trade. Without USA visa, we can go to Cuba, to Venezuela. There is a pool of about bulk carriers, let's say 60 bulk carriers that currently do not need English because Spanish ship owners are using those. But we could really focus in training those to teach English and getting the best of the best. Why? Because they are getting paid 6,000 for a second engineer. So we have a gap towards 7,500. So think about Candina for the dry America trade, because that is going to expand today. And think about doing things different, not just what the others do. Thank you. Bye.